my God. ஆமாம். I hope he's okay. இல்லை கொஞ்சம் வயசான ஆளு மாதிரி இருந்தது. The girl is okay. Only this guy wanted, I think. Oh. No, they were swimming, car. Good, you're okay.
No problem. You are my friend. Anytime go a help, I will give you help. Yeah. Friend and every tourist I will help. Because tourism is my stomach and Goan people want Russian and all over the world people. So you are okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Don't worry. If anything problem, I am here.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Don't worry. Next year, please come. Thank you.
Have a nice life.
Nice. No, thank you. You are okay? No, sir. You are okay? Better. Okay, bye. Bye.
Помыться в океане.
Поплавать.
Поплавать. Да, чуть-чуть говорю.
Отошли немножко подальше и начали тонуть.
Вода начала тянуть нас. Куда?
Но тут подоспел наш друг Пеле
Пеле.
и спас нас.
Наш
За что мы
старый
ему
друг.
очень благодарны. That's our friend, all our friend, and we very happy. Мы очень счастливы видеть его.
Мы его знаем
Благодарим.
очень много дней назад и годов. И он всегда у нас хороший,
Да, он нас всегда выручал.
всегда выручал.
Thank you. Don't worry, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Fly safe.